If you have worked with traditional servers or NVRs, this probably feels familiar. Every deployments mean setup, configuration, and maintenance at each site. And as project gets bigger, everything becomes harder to manage. But what if all of that come pre-configured? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Vincent from the Milesight marketing team. And today I want to walk you through the OpenVision Server and show you how it simplifies multi-camera deployments while staying true to the OpenVision philosophy. For smaller projects, the serverless OpenVision camera keeps everything simple, fast, and easy to manage. But as projects grow, requirements start to change. What if a site needs more camera? What if centralized recording and management become necessary? That's where the OpenVision Server comes in, and it's designed just as the natural set for the larger deployments. So let's unbox them together. Inside the box, you'll find the server itself, the power adapter, the mounting accessories, the user menu, and the warranty card. For the mini server, there's also an optional mounting bracket included. Instead of building a server from scratch, recording, storage, and system management are now brought together in one compact, ready-to-use device. Everything comes pre-installed, pre-configured, and optimized to work seamlessly with Milesight camera and NX witness. The 16-channel OpenVision Server is built as a solid foundation for larger setups. It supports up to 16-channel and up to 40 terabytes of storage, with options for NAS and cloud storage, so you can choose what fits your project best. Compared to the 16-channel OpenVision Server, the 8-channel Mini Server is designed for more flexible deployments, especially outdoor or semi-outdoor sites where a full-size server setup is not practical. So the first thing you notice is the size. It's about the size of your palm, which makes it much easier to place in locations where space is limited. Both DC 12V and PoE are supported, so it can adapt to different site conditions. You also have alarm in and out here, which can be used to connect external devices, such as speaker or alarm system. For outdoor use, the Mini Server supports up to 8 cameras with 8 TB of onboard storage. This covers typical outdoor needs while keeping the device compact and cost-effective. It is also built to operate in a wide range of temperature, from -20 to 60 degrees, making it a reliable choice for outdoor use even in harsh conditions. Taken together, the Mini Server forms an edge solution for outdoor and distributed deployment, such as construction sites or parking area, where setups need to stay flexible and easy to manage. And thanks to its compact design, the Mini Server can be placed in tight spaces and in mobile deployments. It can even be installed directly inside the trailer. With NX VMS and Milesight plugin pre-installed, the system is ready to run as soon as it's powered on. There's no extra software setup, keeping the experience simple and truly plug and play. At the same time, the system works across the full Milesight camera lineup, from the Q series to the Traffic series. This allows a single setup to cover everything from vehicle monitoring to wide area outdoor surveillance. So that's a quick look at the OpenVision Server. If your projects are growing and you need something more flexible than a traditional NVR, this is where it fits. And thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.